This How to 1 Minute will show you how to add previous and next navigation buttons to your Blogger post. So currently I'm in my blog post, and as you can see, here is no next and previous button. Now let's add this button. Go to your Blogger and click on theme. Click on this drop down and select edit HTML. And now in this video description below, you will get this course download link. All you have to need, just download this link, and now search for this base skin and copy these CSS codes and paste these codes above the base skin. And then copy this data post body and here search for data post body. Then copy these codes and paste these codes above the data post body. And lastly, search for the closing body tag and copy this script and paste it above the closing body tag. Click on save. And now I'm going to reloading my Blogger post page, and as you can see, the previous post and next post button has been successfully added. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.